If your akara always turns out wrong and hard, and that round shape seems impossible to achieve, this video will change the game for you. There's a secret ingredient I would like to show you in this video. This is Toyin Cooks. Before we get started, please click on the subscribe button. It is free of charge. Thank you. Now let's talk about the ingredients. You will need freshly peeled beans with plenty of onions. Onions is one of the key ingredients, so generously add it to get a delicious akara. Next is water. Too much of water will turn your batter into moi moi paste. It requires just small quantity of water in order to get a thick batter for akara. We also have few cayenne and scotch bonnet peppers here. That is rodo and bawa in Yoruba. This is very essential in your akara. Next is crayfish. See, crayfish will make your family ask for more. They might likely finish your akara before you are done frying. Just try it.
And finally, here is a small but powerful secret ingredient. One of the reasons why most of us don't like to eat cold akara is because it is no longer fluffy and soft like it used to taste when it was hot and fresh.
Egg is the magic behind that soft moist akara that still feels fresh and easy to chew even when it's cold. You know akara batter is already thick, so the egg really helps balance it out and keeps it soft after frying. Lastly, don't forget your seasoning and salt. Now let's blend all together. While we are blending, do you notice that pepper is not included in this batter? Yes, I'm coming back to that. Now look at that batter. Film am well, because if your batter is not as thick as this one you're seeing in this video, you will not only have a flat shaped akara, but your akara is likely to soak up too much oil. I'm sure you don't want that to happen. You need a roughly blended pepper in your batter and not a smooth one. That is why I'm blending it separately. You see this hand mixer? You don't necessarily need it. To achieve a fluffy akara, your roller stick can also work. Now stay with me, let's get to business. Do you see this frying pan? I know you have one. You don't need it in this akara business, so you don't need it at all. You see how flat the inside is, right? Do you see it? That is exactly how your akara will be flat. What you need is a deep frying pan. It can be a pot, but it must be deep. And make sure that the oil in it is at least half of the pot. That is very important. At this point, make sure your oil is very hot before you drop the batter inside. Normally, onion is good for flavor, but I usually use it to test if my oil is ready or not. You will know your oil is ready when the onions float to the top. Another important step is the spoon you will need to scoop your batter into the oil. Please avoid flat spoon. Use a deep spoon or something similar to this one you are seeing in the video. Please stay with me and see how I will scoop the akara batter into the oil. You know, most times that first scoop might not give you the perfect shape, which is totally normal. You can scoop the batter again and go for a second try. That's usually where the magic happens. Now look at this beauty. See how gorgeous this akara looks. Golden, round, crunchy on the outside, and soft and moist on the inside. Just perfect. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. And don't forget to like this video and save it for later, just in case you want to come back to it. And please let me know in the comments, what do you normally add to your own akara to make it extra tasty. Let's share secrets and learn from each other. See you in my next video. Bye.